Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100 Whey Protein Powder Extreme Milk Chocolate 2 pound. It is pretty palatable once you overcome the initial disappointment that you aren't going to mistake this for junk food. This is definitely on the premium price scale, but it's worth it for those not trying to consume so much whey. Glad these guys have caught on. Happy with the product, looking forward to price point dropping and being able to buy more than one. Finally found my go-to protein after realizing dairy wasn't working for me and struggling to find plant protein with sports in mind. It's chock full of different kinds of plant proteins and all the amino acids that you could need if you don't eat meat. If flavor texture has ever been a problem for you, try one of these Optimum Nutrition protein powders. You won't be disappointed. Adding a banana, peanut butter and or dark chocolate chips, it makes for a great treat. The price is good for product size, but to really make the best, add some almond milk, a banana, some creatine and small amount of green superfood and you have a fantastic smoothie. My bigger kudo for this protein is that it only has 3 grams of carbs per rounded scoop and only 1 gram is from sugar. My favorite way to drink this is to throw in about 4 ice cubes and half of a banana with a scoop of a protein powder. One of my favorite things about this protein is that it doesn't contain a lot of extra junk ingredients and only has 1 gram of sugar. It is important, however, that you take the protein at the right time after your workouts and are working out properly for the results you want. On the other hand, as good as this flavor is with milk, it is horrible with water and tastes like burnt coffee grounds. My go-to protein powder, worth the extra money if you're going to make protein supplements a part of your lifestyle. It's not thick like other powders and leaves no sticky protein sludge at the bottom of the glass or elsewhere. Haha, what more is there to talk about? On Gold Standard Whey, they appropriately priced, tastes very nice, double chocolate compared to other whey protein products, great for weight training and etc. The powder is really fine, so it's easy to mix in a shake mixer cup, the ones that come with the spring balls. Tried mixing it with almond milk and 1 milk and it didn't mix completely and didn't help the taste much. So far the chocolate malt flavor is the best. Good chocolate flavor, not very sweet, and the malt taste is spot on. If you looking for a stronger chocolate and or you don't like malt, try some of their other chocolate flavors. My 2 weightlifters say this is the clear winner for an after workout protein shake based on ingredients, texture and taste. The GNC guy told me some story about them adding something to it to get it to register more protein and how the company got in trouble. My professional trainer, who is a competitor, recommended it and advised it's not much different than other 100 whey products out there that are twice the price. It seems like they are too expensive or so cheap they taste like crap, and most are full of artificial ingredients. Compared to most other protein supplements, short of buying pure whey, which is hard to choke down, this is a better option in my book. All in all, not the cheapest or maybe the best, but in my opinion it is easily the best value for folks looking for a protein supplement to their diet. This was my first time trying this product and I'm blown away by the quality and taste. Blends well with water and milk. They own their own dairy farm in America, so you don't have to worry about them import their protein from outside our country. If you research ULLC, this one comes up as having the best ingredient list. High quality protein without too many ingredients. Mix with 8 ounces of milk, place in freezer, come back in an hour, shake the mixer up and have a pretty amazing tasting milkshake and a banana for a breakfast. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.